Okay, well,
and HP is actually better than I'm talking Shelby. I'm talking that being a
That all queens think they're fierce. That's a mistake. All queens and me.
Pretty girl got her own whip. Pretty girl got her own grip. Pretty girl got her own shit. Keep her nails done, hair done, bag on thick.
Hey, what going? Up top boss represent for Tash. I tell us to subscribe or watch the ads.
What's up, fierce gang? I'm Tash Houston. Welcome back to another banger video. So today I'm going to attempt a prank. Like initially I wanted to prank Shelby because I was supposed to do a collab with her, but recent news, Kayla is there also. I don't know if y'all remember Kayla from my Smash Our Parts video. So at this point I'm not sure which prank I'm going to execute, but let's see. Boy, I'm low-key nervous and like, literally don't know over there set up or oh man I can do this, but I'm gonna see what can go on. I'm literally away from me right now, so yeah. What's up, fierce gang? I'm Tash Fierce and welcome back to another banger. So today I'm here with two lovely ladies. Introduce yourself.
It's about to go down.
Okay, so I'm Kayla Klein.
So she's Kayla Klein.
and I'm Shelby.
And I'm
Oh, that's
Shelby.
crazy. And I'm Shelby.
Oh. Yeah. So subscribe to their channel. We did a video on both y'all both of them channels, so let's check them out. So today we'll be doing a YouTube Q&A. Every time I post a poll it called on Instagram, I always ask me YouTube related questions. So that's what we're going to do from fellow YouTubers.
I'm excited.
You are?
Stressed. Excited.
Alright, so the first question, what is the most difficult part of YouTube?
Alright, wait. Before this, there's no right or wrong answer to this.
No.
Oh,
No,
okay.
it's our opinion.
Yeah.
Okay. Of course, me I say. Alright. You first, me.
I would say the most difficult part is reading hate comments.
I think the most difficult part is editing videos. Like editing for me takes
Definitely.
the most time, and sometimes if you don't really enjoy the video like that, to bring yourself to edit it, probably one of the most.
I think the most difficult part is when you put.
But for you, I
all-
think you love editing,
No, I
so
like
I don't
editing,
think
no.
that it will be more
When you
difficult for
put
you.
it all in one video and you say, yeah, that one is gonna be viral, and you upload it.
Yeah, and the people,
And
nobody
I
watches
swear,
it.
I'm
Like,
just like, what the video?
Yeah,
is?
because for my channel, there's a video that I did in Maple and the Q&A thing. So I think that that video is going to be like my
Your viral one.
like
no.
this
Right,
kind of video,
it's gonna
this kind of
blow.
video, and it
It
doesn't
never-
reach 10K. And my video that I was
Yeah.
not going to post, which is the lingerie video,
yeah.
150
Yeah,
had thousand. 150 had
You know what's the
thousand.
video?
Next question: what is your expectation of your channel?
To grow and grow and grow and grow and grow. And it doesn't stop growing. It's gonna grow.
Yeah, pretty much. I just want to be like big like us. Yeah.
Okay, same. All right, next question: what do you use to edit? I use Premiere Pro CC 2019, and I also use 2015 sometimes. And iMovie is for the local, you know, the easy video them. Yeah, you can use iMovie. I think that Shelby also use Premiere Pro.
Yeah, but I use the
You use iMovie
I
too?
use 2018. No, I use Video Leap. But I use Video Leap worse because sometimes I can't transfer some of the videos on my phone to my laptop. I don't know why.
When I have this problem, like when I transfer video to the laptop, you have to put it in Handbrake and change the format.
Yeah. But or
Well, guys, I don't know what any of that is. I use Final Cut Pro to edit my video.
That's slow.
No.
Final Cut is very slow,
I don't
What?
know
so
how
I
to
don't
use
use that.
it. I don't know how to use it.
And my laptop is like,
What kind of laptop you have?
wait, name?
Which one of the MacBook?
HP, no, HP I have.
Okay, well, Final
And
Cut
HP
Pro
is actually better than, oh well.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Final Cut Pro, it works amazing on my Apple computer.
But
and I have
HP
my
is better
Apple
than
phone.
most Apple product.
Okay,
It is.
well, we use what comfortable for us.
No,
See?
we're talking
I
about
use on
fast
my
pace.
phone.
We want some. We want something that works fast. So guys, I would suggest you get like
Get a
something with
gaming
big
computer.
gig.
That's what you
Gaming
should get.
computer.
Yeah, gaming computers like them processing is just like
Oh yeah.
really good.
But which one you have, the Air or the Pro?
I have a MacBook Air and I use Final Cut Pro. It works fine.
I have 2 laptops and they told them I like one, so
Yeah, because Shelby always a complain about
No,
her
I really
crashing
always a
thing.
complain.
Like
I don't know, we can't
for a YouTuber, Shelby do better.
Oh, no need for watching
Better.
videos because they monetize so we can get some money to buy better equipment. Thank you.
Right. So next question. Okay. Why my palms are sweaty? Kayla just attacked me, make me so nervous.
I
My
never
God.
attacked you. I
What
never
question again?
attacked
Okay.
you.
One advice you would give someone starting their YouTube channel.
Just
Be
start.
yourself.
I would say that the best thing to do is try to be original. Of course, you're gonna get inspired by other YouTubers, but be original and, as Kayla said, be yourself.
Be yourself.
Just start. Honestly,
Just
nobody
start.
think
Don't-
about
don't
oh,
make
me
an
have no ring
excuse.
light, me have no this.
Yeah, you can use
Go into
the
your
windows
use a
and
phone.
because I think
Yeah.
Kayla don't have a ring light, right?
I don't have a tripod. I don't have a ring
And she
light.
still do her videos.
All
She
I
still get them
have
out.
Is my phone.
She
Girls at
still-
14K subscribers.
Yeah, she's
Yes.
still producing quality videos
Yeah.
without all of that.
Exactly.
So you don't need that.
Just start.
Just
Do
start.
it like Nike.
Just do it. So, wow, we're almost finished with these questions.
That's crazy.
Do you think you have a better chance at YouTube living in Kingston?
Yes. Yes, you do.
And why?
Because there are more
I think that there's more
YouTubers.
opportunity
Yeah.
in Kingston because there are more YouTubers to collab with. For sis, for us travel from country, sissies.
Yeah, sissies.
So
For
travel
real.
from country to come Kingston just to do a collab is kind of exhausting.
A lot of people
Especially if you
is
don't drive, it's
This is
exhausting.
This is even a
Balance-
to do a collab.
Bus don't fit me. Bus not fit me.
I'm me no drive, so I don't know where me I
Right.
go. When you
And
where
sometimes
man
can't bother and if I call
where I go
hey,
with you.
you can drop me here because you know and then you have to wait for me. So I think living in Kingston is more
Convenient.
First.
yeah.
Yeah, you
For
get
you
more
too.
opportunities. There are more
Like obviously you're
people
going to get
here.
more opportunities and
Yeah.
And
you
plus,
get
like,
better chance at doing other collabs not only with YouTubers but with brands or
Yeah.
places. So
well,
I
like
think
if you
that
want to do vlogs, there are more places to go.
yes,
Facts,
because there's not much
facts.
places to go
Facts.
in the country. But you think you're Portland?
Girl, beach alone, tired.
For your beach.
True.
Yeah.
It's not only beach and Portland.
What else it have?
I don't know.
We live there for
Fresh
almost
like
tired.
Ocean Bay. Wait, fresh like Portland Bay.
Yeah.
So in Kingston, but there's a lot
Yeah.
of things to do in Ochi though. So
Yeah, they're
Yeah,
true.
for
I think
yourself,
Mobe,
it's
Ochi, and Kingston will be the
Yeah.
most
Yeah.
convenient place to have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
And I think people actually love vlogs, right?
People love vlogs. I ask people which video should I do next. Vlog,
Have you ever done a vlog?
I did like 2 vlogs because I don't really go anywhere.
They did vlog. Oh, the kitty thing was a vlog.
Yeah, it's a
I don't
vlog.
watch that yet. But maybe watch
Go
it.
watch it.
But which other vlog you did?
Um,
I never like see Kayla have any other vlog on her channel other than the kitty.
I went to school during the pandemic.
Next question.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know that video. Next question.
And that's true.
And the last question. So the next question, what are your goals in the next 5 years?
As it relates to YouTube? Or just
Overall, yeah.
I don't even know.
I think that
I don't know.
Kayla's goal would be finishing school, growing her channel, right? And
Yeah, definitely.
and Shelby is growing on YouTube and finishing college.
Oh, well, I mean, that's
Because more than likely that should be your goal
That
right
is-
now.
that
You're a
is the near- that
YouTuber.
is the
I'm
near
talking,
future.
Shelby. I'm talking. Sorry, what I'm talking. I think that being a YouTuber,
the abuse.
Yes, that's the girls.
Shelby, chill. I think that being a YouTuber, your goal should be to grow on YouTube, and then being a student, your goal should be to finish it. Like we're not gonna look in at the whole 5 years because that kind of, you know what I mean?
Man, I'm reading the next 5 years still, but yeah.
Yeah. Oh.
Say, have a man. I don't think that Shelby has a man. Because
Because what?
yeah, no. She never like post that she have a man. Like even though me posting me
So
have a man, but
just
nobody
because
post
it's
my
not on
man.
social media means say nah.
No man, like listen, during Q&A people always ask you, are you single? And me not remember Shelby saying no, I'm not single. And Shelby doing like a Q&A. Why they peeping at each other?
Why?
Literally, my response to this is always
Silence.
you never know.
If Shelby have a breed in the next 5 years, I already have a man.
You must have ever man now.
And then you have to brief. You have to know
Supposed to
some-
ask
me. I feel what's
You're gonna read for what?
I'm kidding. I have a little ambition, okay?
I have to know you
A
for
lot
at
of
least 5 years to breed for you. Here, I don't. So if me and my man left, we have to know this next man for over 5 years.
Probably meet him this year.
Hope, faith,
Hope and prayer.
faith,
If you not meet him already.
faith.
You never know.
Alright, I know that me already. You have a man?
Me? Just
I don't think that Kayla have a man because
why?
I don't think Kayla have a man because she always says she's single on her channel. So I don't think Kayla have a
That
man.
video was recorded about 6 or 5 months
Okay,
ago.
so basically, Kayla
have a
is
man.
saying
So now,
that she have
I
a
have-
man.
So you are man.
I have a man.
Yeah, the world know that.
Oh.
I have man and I have girl. The world know that.
You have man?
Yeah, this is she posting it back. The other
What you
day.
say? Why you can't post in face?
So Kayla, you wanna meet my man?
Oh yeah, I did. No way.
She just attacked me so. Why she
You
attack
have
me?
girl? What that mean? You have girl?
Full of girl
So
like
she have a man,
netball.
yeah, but yeah,
Oh, you swing two way.
No, you. That's nasty. And I don't know. Oh, Kayla did a video saying that she kissed a girl. Like that's so nasty. I don't like.
Did you watch the video?
Yeah, of course I watched it.
I was in grade 2.
It doesn't matter. You still
In
kiss
grade
a girl.
what?
You're
Two?
still little gay.
How am I little gay?
She's still
Did you
little
watch
girl,
the video?
guys. Like, oh my god, that is so nasty. You ever kiss one girl?
I don't know. No, right, no.
Not right now.
No, you
But you
said
said when you
said
grade 2.
You
think
never
you
know
do it?
somebody- No, alright. And I like say, when I get up and say, maybe it's one girl. It's supposed to
Anyway,
be
so-
and she wanna.
you said
Yeah,
that
that's
you
my-
kissed a girl in my
That's my
some of the video.
opinion. I said on her cheeks. Anyways, so that's my opinion on that. I think that we don't have any more YouTube question or advice y'all want to give them.
Guys,
I think that they both Kayla, she literally just started her YouTube, so she don't really have advice to give like that. So pass the question to Shelby.
what?
Yeah.
You have no advice to give?
How long you have your YouTube channel?
Couple
About
months.
yeah, Shelby answer the question.
Okay, alright. Shelby, take it away.
Wow. You know, I'm not gonna lie to you, but I'm just winging it.
I don't
That's
think
what
that
it is.
Shelby is that consistent on YouTube to be having advice right now
Yeah,
because
I'm really-
she's more to her edit.
I'm doing a lot of other stuff.
So
But I'm trying.
but
okay?
but Shelby, I'm talking. Why you always do that?
You know something like
Why do you guys argue so much? Why you argue
Oh
so
my
much?
god!
Let them
And
talk.
she's supposed to be a Leo. Why she stay like this?
I do like Leo.
Exactly, barely a Leo. So, what was the question?
It's not too much, that's why I don't remember it.
You're the attack. You're the attack.
What were you talking about?
Oh, advice.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I'll take it away.
Don't be.
Kayla, why are you
discouraged.
giving an advice?
I'm giving. Listen, I am a YouTuber. I have more subscribers than two of these girls right here.
Wait a minute. It's a 22. Pew, pew, pew.
I just want to say.
Shut your mouth with a little bit of subscribers. So guys, basically Kayla cannot give advice on
Why can't I give advice?
Because
You
you
get
just
lucky.
start.
Honestly, I'm lucky you get lucky because your
How?
first video doesn't go 156K just to.
How is that lucky, guys?
girl.
Stop. Okay, my advice to anybody who starts on YouTube.
Kayla
is-
doesn't even have a ring light or a camera. Do you have a ring
What?
light and a camera? So why are you giving YouTube advice?
I don't want to call
But
nobody
you're not
names,
supposed to.
but the person's channel who I was on had no ring light nor
The
camera.
person that she get the come up from, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she
Yeah,
is
no.
your
Shots have been
mentor.
fired.
For
No,
YouTube?
no, he's not my mentor.
I would think that he's her mentor because she just said that. That's the reason why. I'm done this video right now, guys. It's a prank.
prank?
I get a friend.
What was the prank?
The prank is we keep talking over.
Yeah.
That was the prank?
Yes.
You know, the enemy is a nasa. The girl can't see her. She can't just talk over
I
her.
just
Kayla, come on. You did a video with me already.
I was in the video, so I was just like, okay, maybe that's just how she is. You know, you did kind of overdo it. I was like, what is wrong with this girl?
Yes, and nasa the girl.
Listen, me never have much to say, so me never have the opportunity to talk.
I was like, okay, this is her channel, just let her talk.
And then when we realized that never did I would try work, me just try fire shots at them. So
Never work. That's what you get. I'm a leader.
Well, it just did
You know the
drape
thing.
me up still.
Kayla was like,
You know, banana shame.
bring back my shirt. Like, never, I wasn't expecting that. I wasn't.
oh, only keeping up composure though, cause me are gone. But I said, girl, when I do this every day, fuck up, I'm leaving. I've done my place, go on. I'm gonna end this with you. So, that's it for today's video. You can actually get some answers from the question that were asked. So, yeah, even though they didn't really get a chance to talk.
Yeah, not at all.
Especially Kayla. I didn't really want to get Kayla pissed.
You can't really piss me off. You can't piss
I
me
didn't
off.
really want to get Kayla
You can't
pissed.
piss me off.
Oh God, no, that pissed me off.
Me know Shelby's kind of steer-ish already. Me really want that one kind of, you know what? So that's it for today's video, guys. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment what was the best part of the video to you. And if you like this video, if you like to see them on my channel again, let me know in the comment section.
Remember to subscribe.
Subscribe.
And subscribe to their channel.
Of course.
KLEIN
And
And
I am
Shelby.
Shelby.
and I'm Shelby.
Yeah, and I'm Shelby.
And
Yeah.
I am Shelby. Wow.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.